Here at the MakerSpace, we generate a lot of 3D prints for students and faculty alike.
Every print that we do takes more filament, more supports, and more failures.
Some of our prints fail, and we also generate a lot of support material. And here's a box 1 plastic that gets wasted over course of a semester.
And oftentimes we have to go through multiple iterations of these designs. Using this much plastic in either failed prints, supports, or products that just didn't meet specifications becomes costly for both us students and the clubs.
Being able to recycle old plastics would help us cut down costs at the Makerspace.
It would be great if we had some sort of system to be able to recycle this filament and use it again.
With the ability to recycle our filament and our old plastics, we can save money on buying new filament and spend it on more critical things.
Just allow it to come in. We use the printers for free for a while. Or we could just take whatever prototypes of the old prints you use, and you would just be able to recycle them back.